Welcome to our channel, to the wonderful world of Panna Cotta, where flavor meets magic. Today we present to you our most exquisite treat, Panna Cotta with blueberries. In every bite of our Panna Cotta you will experience the delicate taste of light cream, and the fragrant freshness of blueberries, which is deservedly considered the queen of berries. This combination creates the perfect balance between sweetness and refreshing sourness. I carefully select only the highest quality ingredients so that each Panna Cotta dessert is a perfect masterpiece of flavor. All ingredients are for 2 cups of 280 milliliters. We will need milk 140 milliliters, cream 140 milliliters, gelatin 9 grams, grape juice 150 ml, sugar 50 grams, blueberries 120 grams, you can take any other berries, and vanilla essence. Dilute the gelatin 3 grams and 15 milliliters of water and 6 grams 30 milliliters and in separate bowls. Take cream, pour sugar, add milk, vanilla essence and heat but not boiling, and add soaked gelatin 1st cup where we have more gelatin 6 grams, and stir well to dissolve sugar and gelatin. Take 2 cups and carefully pour 1 part and put in the refrigerator for 1 hour to solidify. Now prepare the second part of the juice. Take juice, add sugar and gelatin heated and stirred until the dissolution of gelatin. You can use water and dye instead of juice, but I like natural ingredients, so I do from juice. Pour the berries with water and pour into glasses. The first part we have already solidified. And pour the finished syrup from the juice and again put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Here is such a wonderful, spectacular, and beautiful dessert turned out. Prepare Panna Cotta with blueberries with us and plunge into the world of magic flavor. Just follow our recipe and create an unforgettable treat that will delight you and your loved ones. If you liked the recipe, I will be grateful if you put a like and subscribe to my channel.